guys, and welcome to FOODEES. Today's recipe is blueberry muffins. We start by whisking 250 grams of butter and 200 grams of sugar until fluffy. We add in our 3 eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, we combine 12 grams of baking powder to the 300 grams of flour. To avoid our blueberries from sinking into the bottom while baking, we add 1 tablespoon of the mixture. We mix until all blueberries are well coated. We add in the first half of our dry ingredients and we whisk it until all combined. We pour in the 150 milliliters of milk and we add in 1 lemon zest that will give a nice flavor and smell to our muffins. We mix again for 10 seconds. Now we add in the second half of our dry ingredients. Make sure you don't overmix the butter so you can get nice fluffy muffins. Using a spatula, we're gonna gently fold in the blueberries to the mixture. We divide it evenly between the cup liners. We sprinkle the sugar granules on top. We bake our muffins for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees. We should leave the muffins to rest for 10 minutes before transferring or eating them. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and thanks for watching.